Hello everyone, my name is Sergey Starovoytov. Today I want to present you a functional overview of opportunities provided by CRM part of OntargIT IDMS solution for automotive companies. A little info about our company. OntargIT is a Microsoft Gold Partner, 100% focused on implementing and supporting Microsoft Dynamics 365. The company employs more than 60 experts with more than 15 years of international implementation experience. The company operates in Ukraine, CIS countries, EMEA, EU and North America. OntargIT is an official member of the Global Alliance of companies focused on Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Axapta solutions. In 2020, at the Microsoft Partner Days exhibition, we received an awards for the best projects in the automotive industry. Our OntargIT IDMS solution is available on Microsoft Apps source site. Our experience in the automotive area is based on the implementation of the system for leaders in that industry. Our clients are Toyota Ukraine, with brands Lexus and Toyota, MAN, Hyundai, Auto International with brands like Mazda and Suzuki and other companies. The next slide shows a general view of customer journey typical for automotive industry. The main direction of today's transformational process is retention of communication with the client using various channels of interaction as long as possible. We created our solution with the main idea to provide a single IT space for entire supply chain, like manufacturer, importer, dealer and customer. Based on experience of our company, our client use IDMS in different ways, like importer only, importer plus dialer CRM, importer plus dialer and dialer only. The technology platform from Microsoft provides the power and scalability of the system. ERP functionality implemented in Dynamics 365 FO and CRM system based on Dynamics 365 Sales allows using proven solution for seamless integration with processes implemented in OntargIT IDMS. Power BI allows you to dynamically and interactively display any reports, KPI, and build reports in any format. Power Apps, the platform allows you to develop various cross-platform applications that can be used in business processes. First of all, we could see two main cloud systems, ERP based on Dynamics 365 FO and powerful CRM system based on Dynamics 365 Sales platform. For reporting purposes, we used cloud reporting based on Power BI. Dealers could work in cloud CRM and register their leads, clients, and opportunities. Or the system could import information from DMS systems that used by dealers. Also, the CRM system provides a framework for connection with different systems like call centers or sites of chatbots. Thus, the main advantages of system are cloud-based and access anywhere, user interface and workspace, organizational management and workflow, role-oriented, shared data and shared processes, business intelligence and mobile integrated. For simplicity, all IDMS functionality can be grouped into the specific process functional blocks such as CRM processes based on Dynamics 365 Sales platform, vehicle-related process for importer and dialer sites, spare parts processes both for importer and dialer site, and services processes based on Dynamics 365 FO platform. Also, BI report based on Power BI. In this webinar, we take a closer look at the processes of CRM blocks only. Other blocks we'll discuss in the next webinar. The CRM system is responsible for the processes associated with maintaining information about opportunities or leads in order to bring them to a real transaction. For this, system has the means of omni-channel interaction with the buyer based on the integrated frameworks plus custom connectors. Also in CRM, we could provide qualification of the leads and create sales quotes for customer for approval. Functionally, IDMS CRM covers the following functional areas: sales process that spans from lead to customers, after-sales service block that serves to store the history of service visits and change of ownership of the car. The CR blocks allows you to work with various customer requests and also provides feedback from customers. Block responsible for various reminders of the necessary actions, and invitation block for the next maintenance, reminders and marketing block. The main sales process is configured in system as a business process with a certain key stage. At each stage, it is configured what information should be collected, and system will control its availability. The first step in the process is creating a lead. To form the necessary base of leads and customers, the forms have all necessary fields and directors that allows you to do this work quickly and without errors. To reduce manual labor, it is also possible to integrate with informational registries, for example, Ucontrol, from where the data can automatically fill in the required fields. Having got a lead, we begin to create an opportunity for him. When we create an opportunity, we also try to track main and non-main interest as well as main competitors. If the corresponding functionality is enabled, then the system created a follow-up reminder to call 3 days after the meeting. To ensure a unified policy for managing works with leads and customer, the system can be configured with rules that will generate appropriated reminders activity for the responsible sales manager. This improves the quality of customer service. The system implements a block of functionality related to test drive. Here you can select and reserve a specific car for specific time. Formation of a test drive reminder for a sales manager. Fixing information on the results of the test drive. Thanks to the integration with the data sent by manufacturer importer, the system shows stock balances in various warehouses. The sales manager can pick up a car and reserve it for the client. Based on the informational stories in the system, the sales manager can quickly generate a proposal for the client with indication of the necessary options, price fixing, etc. Based on the offer accepted by clients, a sales contract can be formed in the system. To print it, various templates embedded in the system can be used. Thanks to the collection of information from the arrivals of the car for service, the system has updated information about the cars owned by the client. Also, due to the availability of an updated database of machines, the system allows you to calculate and promptly generate an invitation to the client for the next maintenance. For the possibility of omni-channel interaction with the customer, the system provides special solutions that allow you to connect external communication channels such as chatbots, messengers, digital telephony, and to the CRM blocks of functionality to implement various scenarios of working with potential and real customers. To facilitate the works of sales managers, it is possible to connect a contact center to perform pre-qualification of leads. In this case, leads are generated in system, for example, from website, which end up a queue for outgoing calls by the call center. The operator calls the lead and pre-qualifies the lead. If lead has passed the qualification, it receives the corresponding status in the system, and letter is automatically sent to the sales manager of the corresponding dealer. A reminder to take the specified lead into work. On this slide, you can see a screenshot of the appearance of incoming call in the CRM system, in which the calling number is recognized. A request is made to the CRM system, and pop-up window display brief information about the caller, as well as information about the latest activities like calls, emails, test drives, etc. Next slide is about CR block of functionality. The system allows you to store all the complaints received from the clients and to make their analysis and post-processing with the appointment of responsible people, meeting of deadlines, etc. Next slide is about questionnaires. Using questionnaires, we can collect and analyze information in various aspects, which improves awareness when making various decisions, as well as receiving feedback on the activities carried out, including marketing campaigns. For managers to make the most informed decision, all analytical information can be displayed and presented in one form or another. This slide shows a sales funnel and various analytical slides as an example. And now we can go to the question and answer section of our webinar. Thank you all for your attention. Please subscribe on our channel in YouTube, LinkedIn and Facebook, and have a great day.